These two buttons are using the toggle visibility feature. When you click one button, the budget variance trend chart is toggled on. When you click the other button, the first chart is hidden, and now the budget variance percent chart is shown instead. Clicking the button multiple times will toggle the chart on and off. The chart can also be closed by this button. To see how the toggle options have been configured, we need to go into Designer mode. Also, we should open the Object list. The buttons are these KPI triggers 1 and 2. When we clicked the KPI trigger 1, it made this variance trend group visible. I can make it visible temporarily by clicking the eye icon. The group contains these objects. The overlay is the semi-transparent background here. The period is the chart. The close is this button up here. Notice that the names of these two groups have been prefixed with a hashtag sign. If we look into properties of the first KPI button, we can see that it contains a toggle visibility trigger. This type of trigger is part of the interaction section. Here, you can see that it is used to toggle visibility of the variance trend group, and at the same time, if the variance percent trend group is visible, it will be hidden. And likewise with the Close button, it will simply hide the variance trend group.